Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be covering how to delete an app from your iPhone. All right, we are back to my iPhone home screen, home sweet home. And like many of us, I have set some New Year's resolutions. And even though I am following them and I am going to the gym, turns out that I do not need the 5K runner app that I downloaded at the beginning of this year anymore. So what am I going to do? I'm going to delete this app. So let me show you how to do just that. The first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to press down on the app. But here's the trick. Before you do that, do not lift your thumb or finger up. All right. So we're going to do it together so you can see what I'm doing. So if it helps, maybe use your index finger to just press down. So let's do it. So I'm going to tap and hold down. Okay, great. So as you can see, the screen completely shifted. So everything else is blurred. And now I'm just facing a couple of additional menu options for this app specifically that I just pressed down on. And the first is edit home screen, which basically means that you can, and I'll show it to you right now, you can actually organize and shift around the apps on your home screen. So if you tap on that, everything will start shaking. And that's because what I can do is I can basically move everything around to basically get whatever apps I want in whatever position I want. I can also place them inside one of these, which is really useful. So for example, if I want to put it into my fitness area, which I don't anymore because I don't need it, automatically, because I'm holding it down and not letting go of the app, look at that. I'm pressing down, right? I can just change its positioning on my home screen. But that's not what we want. So I'm going to actually tap on the done icon at the top. So I just did that. All right. So once again, let's tap and hold down so we can get that menu option once again. All right, so now we get a couple of additional other options. The second one is to share the app, so you can actually text the app to someone or share it via email or whatever way that you want to share, in case you want to just, tell someone to, hey, download this app, and you can automatically share instead of them having to go to the App Store and search for it, which is, pretty great when it comes to saving you and your friends some time. And then lastly here, you see that there is in red, remove app option, right? And that's basically how you're going to delete this app from your home screen and your phone. So I'm going to tap on remove app, and all of a sudden I'm going to get another couple of menu options that are prompted by the action I just selected. And it says remove 5K runner. Removing from home screen will keep the app in your app library. So do you want to delete the app? Do you want to remove it from the home screen? Or do you want to cancel and just leave it where it is and go back to as if nothing happened at all? So we don't want to do that, right? Because I don't want this app anymore. I'm not going to use it. But I do have the option of removing it simply from my home screen. But I don't want that because I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to click on or tap on delete app. And it will prompt again, trying to make sure that I'm actually wanting to do this. It will say, deleting this app will also delete its data. And that's the other thing too. When you delete an app, you're deleting its data. And that means, let's say I have to re-download this in the future. That means I have to put all my data once again into it. And every single run that I did in the past will be deleted from it. But that's okay. I'm okay with that. So I'm going to tap once again on delete, the delete option. And boom, it's gone from my home screen and out of my life. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful for those of you that want to delete an app. Once again, just tap and hold down, and all of a sudden you'll be able to prompt all those additional options, go through the several delete stages. Like you saw, there are a couple. There are about 3 menu pop-ups that will happen. Just kind of trying to confirm, okay, once again, you do want to delete this, right? Okay, great. And then go ahead and delete that app from your phone. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever in the comments down below. And let me know if you have any, suggestions when it comes to tutorials as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you soon.